Hey YouTube, super exciting day today. We got our BOL, the Bill of Lading. That means we can start our next piece of paperwork, the ISF, Importer Securities Filing 10+2. According to the internet, the 10 is 10 data elements the importer needs, and the 2 is 2 data elements the carrier needs. We're also gonna try a fancy new mic that my wife bought. The videos I normally shoot, I use this microphone and it's been working really good. For some reason, the first K-Truck video, I tried using my Sony headphone. The headphones are great. I love the sound quality and the noise canceling, but the microphone on these headphones weren't really good for voiceover. This one is much better. We want to see if the fancy new microphone will get us an even better voiceover. Okay, this is where we left off from the last video. I placed the order June 26. They sent us an email thanking us and confirming our information. A couple of weeks later, I got this link from AutoHub. The shipper received their order July 18th, and then another month, maybe a little bit more than a month, I got an email with the BL. Here is the bill of lading. I blocked out some information. This is where I made a small mistake that ended up costing me like $85. There's plenty of time between August 29th and the 31st, but I was a little rushed for some reason, really wanted to get the ISF done no later than 24 hours before the cargo was loaded. So I was following the Reddit post. They used Turbo ISF, supposed to be $30. The website now says $110. I didn't think too much about it. Since this post was 2 years ago, I figured they probably just increased the prices. So started filing instructions, all of this very straightforward. ISF info sheet. I used the bill of lading and got our ISF within the 6 hours that they promised on the website. It wasn't until later, when I was reading through this second blog post, and they also mentioned it should be less than $30. I just happened to click Easy ISF, and according to this website, it should only be $25. So I overpaid a little bit. This isn't a sponsored video by them. I just happened to not shop around. Hopefully this video is helpful for somebody else in the future. Video number 176 done.